Tired of tangled cables and slow charging killing your workflow? Today we're showcasing the 5 best charging docks for iPad Pro M5 in 2025. Powerful, sleek, and built to simplify your setup. Welcome back to the channel. Check the links in the description to find your perfect match and upgrade your charging game. The number 5 product on our list is LULULOOK Magnetic Charging Stand. The LULULOOK Magnetic Charging Stand redefines how you power and display your iPad Pro M5. It's not just a dock, it's a piece of functional art for your desk. The moment you snap your tablet onto its 88 precisely placed magnets, you feel that confident hold and seamless connection that instantly eliminates cable chaos. It delivers up to 18 watts of fast charging through its smart USB-C system, making it a dream setup for creators, designers, or anyone who lives in the Apple ecosystem. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, the matte finish feels premium, sturdy, and perfectly aligned with the iPad's own design language. The real magic, though, is in its adjustability, 360 DG rotation, and foldable flexibility that turns your iPad into a workstation, entertainment hub, or sketchpad in seconds. Compared to other stands in this lineup, LULULOOK nails the fusion of elegance and power. It's ideal for users who crave efficiency without clutter, a stand that doesn't just charge your iPad, but elevates how you use it every single day. At number 4 is UGREEN Wall Charger. The UGREEN Wall Charger feels like pure power packed into the palm of your hand. From the first charge, it's clear this isn't just another wall adapter. It's a revolution in how fast, efficient, and safe power delivery can be. Built with cutting-edge GaN technology, it drives up to 65 watt, pushing your iPad Pro M5 to life in minutes instead of hours. No overheating, no cable stress, just clean, consistent power. The 4 ports, including 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A, make it a multitasking powerhouse for creators and professionals who juggle multiple devices at once. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or minimalist setups, slipping easily into a bag without adding bulk. Compared to others in this lineup, UGREEN strikes that perfect balance between speed, safety, and sleek engineering. The foldable plug feels premium, the build screams durability, and the versatility is unmatched. For anyone tired of cluttered charging stations or slow adapters, this GaN charger delivers that rare mix of peace, performance, and practicality you'll actually rely on daily. The third one on our list is Belkin Superfast Wall Charger. The Belkin Superfast Wall Charger is the kind of accessory that reminds you what premium power should feel like: compact, confident, and unbelievably quick. From the moment you plug in your iPad Pro M5, it surges with energy, taking it from low to liftoff in what feels like no time. Built on advanced GaN technology and USB-C power delivery 3, this charger pushes performance without overheating or wasting a single watt. The dual USB-C ports make multitasking effortless, charging your tablet and phone together while keeping both safe and stable. What stands out most is the craftsmanship. It's travel-ready, sturdy, and compact enough to slip into any tech bag without adding bulk. Compared to other charging docks in this lineup, Belkin brings a mix of reliability and refinement that feels professional yet practical. Whether you're working remotely, editing on the go, or powering up for a flight, it delivers clean, intelligent energy every time. For those tired of flimsy, slow chargers, this one feels like a long-term investment in speed, trust, and total peace of mind. On number 2 is KUXIU Magnetic Charging Stand. The KUXIU Magnetic Charging Stand isn't just another accessory, it's the definition of futuristic simplicity for your iPad Pro M5 setup. The moment you snap your tablet into place, the 88 precision magnets create an instant, secure hold that feels effortless yet powerful. It's that satisfying click of confidence that every creator, student, or pro wants on their desk. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with a beautifully frosted finish, it blends elegance and engineering in perfect harmony. The dual-hinge design gives you full control. Rotate 360 degree, tilt, or fold it flat when you're done. And that built-in USB-C charging with up to 18 watt output, it keeps your workspace minimal and your device always ready for action. Compared to others in this lineup, KUXIU stands out for its perfect balance of strength, motion, and clean aesthetics. Whether sketching, video calling, or binging your favorite show, this stand transforms your experience from ordinary to exceptional. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't just power your iPad. It elevates how you use it every single day. Now, moving to the last one is Anker Prime GAN Wall Charger. The Anker Prime GAN Wall Charger feels like raw charging power reimagined for modern minimalists. From the first plug-in, it's clear this isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. With dual USB-C ports delivering up to 100 watt each, your iPad Pro, M5, and MacBook can charge side by side without compromise. The refined GAN architecture keeps everything cool and efficient, turning hours of waiting into minutes of readiness. Its sleek, foldable design makes it a must-have for travelers or professionals who value compact performance without clutter. Compared to other charging docks in this category, Anker strikes that rare balance between power density and reliability. It's solid, stable, and engineered with real-world use in mind. Those thicker prongs give it a firm, reassuring connection even in loose sockets, while the lightweight body feels built for motion. Whether it's a quick top-up before a meeting or a full charge overnight, this GAN charger delivers precision energy you can trust. It's not just faster charging, it's smarter, safer, and designed for people who don't like to slow down. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best charging docks for iPad Pro M5 in 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.